teamwork making kolaches.
I'm gonna do more brisket because I've been
Here are the doughs. Over there. Those fillings here. Thick sausage from the store. Some barbecue and some homemade sausage and the cheese. So what are you doing here?
This is a filling for a savory kolache. There are mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and egg and basil.
Cool, different kolaches.
Yeah, this is a experiment. So this is a chemistry lab. It's not a real experiment. There is a recipe. It's my first time. It's an experiment to see how it turns out.
Chemistry professor. Here has different fillings. Here's prosciutto. And here's some salami.
This is the dough. We'll flat it up, degas it to get something like that.
You can see them at Mindy and see them at Andrew and see what shows them.
It's like a huge dumpling. Huh?
It's kind of just a huge dumpling. It's a bread dumpling.
Okay, it's a final product.
Oh,